So you want to make money from your tarot cards, guys? Watch this video. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and these are 5 easy ways to make money from your tarot cards. So by the end of this video, guys, I hope I can give you a few hints and tips to how to get the ball rolling and make money from your tarot cards. Please don't forget, guys, hit the subscribe button and the notification button so you don't miss any of my videos. These tips may not work for everybody, guys, but I have personally tried and tested these ones, and I hope they work for you. So tip number 1 is face-to-face readings. So face-to-face reading, guys, it is what it says on the tin, basically meeting clients face-to-face and giving them their readings. So what a good tip is to give out some freebies first to get the word of mouth out there. It's a great way to advertise. And then you can start charging. So that brings in the whole self-worth. What are you worth as a reader? Take into the factors of time, your energy, and any sort of travel expenses that you need to get to a client. So another way to make money from your tarot cards, guys, is doing online readings. You must develop a way to do readings for long distance. So basically how I do it is I call on the angels, ancestors, guardians, guides and loved ones of the individual who I'm working with, and I ask them to pull cards for the client. Develop your own way yourself. People have different ways of doing things. Set up a PayPal so you can get your payments generated straight away, and Bob's your uncle. The next tip, guys, is offer tarot party readings. So these will be groups of people. Depending on the size of the group, you want to charge special rates. It's a great way to get your name out there as well. And at the end of the night, maybe ask these clients to leave some feedback on a public forum for you. And that's a great way for advertising as well. So tip number 4, guys. Right, hang on a second. I need a coffee. Let's finish this in the coffee shop. Try that again, folks. Spot on. Okay, so tip number 4 is doing your tarot readings at festivals, okay? This is a fabulous way for advertising purely because you can have information to hand. You can have your business cards, you can have flyers with all the information that you have about services that you're offering. So it's a brilliant way to advertise and make sure that you offer reduced rates for your festival specifically. So tip number 5, guys, bearing in mind you've been doing this for a while now, you've had your experience working with clients, why don't you start teaching workshops? Workshops are a fabulous way to get your name out there and to get out how good you are at your abilities, okay, while teaching others and spreading that light. So you can hold things like day workshops or weekend workshops where you'll provide things like refreshments, but you'll do tutorials and practical work with all your clients, groups of maybe 15 to 20 people, and you charge per head, and it's just a great way to really get the essence of what you do out there and get your passion across to people and then inspire passion in them. So give it a try, guys. Well, that's it, guys. I hope that was useful for you. Thank you very much for watching. I'm going to finish my coffee, but if you want to see my latest video, click up here. YouTube will pop around in one of my videos here. And if you like this video, please subscribe, guys. Love and light.